What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. And today, Thursday, June 12th, we're finally at Lowe's, and we do have an exciting video today because we are going to go over some great Father's Day deals. Let's not waste any time and get into the video. And starting the video off in the number one spot, let's have a look at the Craftsman pressure washer. This week is a good week to pick up a pressure washer. Last week was a little bit better, to be honest, but this one in front of us, a gas engine, 3,400 PSI, 2.4 gallons per minute, a 2-year pump warranty with a 3-year engine and a 5-year frame warranty, $349. And then to my left, we have so many different tool combinations on sale. Buy this, get this free. So I am going to leave a link in the comment section that will take you directly to the Father's Day flyer. You can just open up that link and have a look yourself. I'm not going to have 100% of the items in today's video, but I am going to show a lot. In the number 2 spot from Craftsman, we're looking at their 20 volt max combo kit. You get the leaf blower, you get the string trimmer, a 5 amp battery and charger, all included in this package deal. If you do purchase this, they give you one free tool. You can choose between a flashlight, a shop vac, an additional 4 amp battery, or a job site Bluetooth radio. This package deal is going for $199. We have so many different types of deals in today's video, but obviously it is more geared towards Father's Day. In today's video, I did mix up the deals a little bit to keep it a little bit more entertaining. If you do enjoy this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you can, drop us a comment below as well. And moving on to the number 3 spot, another product from Craftsman. We're looking at their 7.5 inch 20 volt. This is their misting fan. Pretty sweet product here. Now you see that tube at the bottom of the fan. You just drop that tube right into a 5-gallon bucket of water and it sucks the water up and mists it away. Pretty sweet fan here. Keeps you cool in the summertime. You can plug it indoors, you can plug it outdoors. Pretty awesome fan. Now it's going for $99, a limited buy here. It does include the battery and charger. And then to the right of that, we do have the impact driver and the drill available. Now this is a combo package deal, also 20 volt. They're taking $50 off the price. You can pick this up for only $99. Another great gift idea. You get the charger, you get the battery, and it also comes with a pretty sweet bag as well. $99. This is a 2 power tool combo kit for $99. And to the right of that, if you want to get dad a little bit extra, you can definitely pick up some accessories for dad. Now we have the Sawzall blades, we have a hole saw kit, we have drill bits, we have fastener sets. These are all pretty great deals here. Now the fastener set, $14.98. The drill bits, $19.98. We have the 7-piece hole saw set for $34.98. And we also have the 7-piece and the 3-piece oscillating blade set, $9.98 or $12.98. If dad is obsessed with the lawn or garden, the Roundup is currently on sale as well. So here we have the weed and grass killer. Comes in a 1-gallon container. This one in front of us comes with the wand, so it comes with a spraying wand going for $29.98. If you don't need the wand, just get the refill at $19.98. A little bit bigger size, so if you have your own sprayer, this is definitely a better option. That's 1.25 gallons. Now, if you don't like Roundup and you're looking for an all-natural option, just get yourself some water, some vinegar, and some dish soap. It does just as good a job, in my opinion, and it's all natural, no chemicals, so it's safe for the dogs, it's safe for the little ones. It's good for your backyard as well. So if you're trying to get rid of those weeds in the garden, definitely try the all-natural solution. If not, grab yourself some Roundup. $29.98 for the one with the wand, $19.98 for the refill. And now from Zevo, we have their insect fly trap. This is a pretty awesome trap. I own it myself, but I did buy mine from Costco. So what exactly is it? It's kind of like a little night light, and then attached to it has some sticky tape. So the fly gets attracted to the night light, it gets stuck to the tape, and that's how it gets caught. Now the starter kit is going for $19.98, or you can grab the refills right there for $7.98. On the other side of the Zevo, we also have the Wasp and Hornet spray. In the number 8 spot, we're looking at an 18.5 ounce can of Hornet spray. Now currently the price does show $4.98, but they are taking $2.50 off the price. That's going to bring it down to $2.50, or you can grab 2 cans for $5. Another great gift idea for dad, we have this nice griddle from Blackstone. It's a 28-inch griddle. It's a 2-burner, liquid propane, looks nice, a nice new updated design. Now, it's not too big, it's not too small in my opinion. It's just the right size. I like this nice compact size. Now, I don't use my griddle too much, but I do like it. Now, this kit right in front of us, it's $249, and it also comes with a nice apron, a couple of spatulas. They give you a nice separate bundle kit, which is great. And then to my left, this deal was a little bit disappointing in my opinion. We have the Toro lawnmower. This is their 22-inch gas self-propelled lawnmower. And I was expecting $100 off the price, but they only brought it down $40. Now the normal price is $499. They brought it down to $459. Not that big of a discount. It's a pretty nice lawnmower at 150 cc's, but I was expecting a much larger discount. I'd probably definitely pass on this one. I feel like these are a dime a dozen on Marketplace. And now from Cobalt, we're looking at their 20-volt tools in front of us. We have their string trimmer up top. Then we have their leaf blower right dead in the center. And we also have their lawnmower on the bottom. A nice little compact lawnmower. Now the leaf blower going for $129. You get the battery and charger included. It's their kit. I feel like this should have been priced at $99. The string trimmer at the same price at $129. Both of those overpriced in my opinion. And the lawnmower, once again, this should have been priced a lot less than it is. Now, a pretty sweet little lawnmower. It's nice and compact, 20 volt as well. Now, if this was currently maybe for $199, I would say okay, but $299, definitely not worth it. And moving right along, we do have the Eagle lawnmower currently on sale as well. This is going for $599. I do believe the Greenworks 80 volt at Costco is a much better deal in my opinion when it does go on sale. But if you like the Eagle lineup, you can pick this one up for $599. Pretty sweet lawnmower. It's a 21-inch, 56 volt. We also have some more great deals from Eagle as well. We have their leaf blower. We also have the string trimmer on sale as well. Now you can grab the leaf blower in front of us for $219. If you want a great deal on a lawnmower, let me put one up right here for very quickly. So this deal is actually from Walmart. We're looking at their Greenworks 40 volt. This is their 20-inch brushless lawnmower. Comes with a 4-amp battery and charger for only $228 even. And for Father's Day, maybe it's been Dad's dream to have a ride-on lawnmower. Don't buy him a Craftsman. Make sure you buy him a John Deere. 0% for 36 months. What a great deal. Now, yes, you may pay a little bit more on the sticker price, but that's okay. 0% is free money. If you finance $2,500, that's only $70 a month. And we also have the contractor bags on sale. These are the 42 gallons. They're 50 bags per box. Very heavy duty bags. Now these are priced at $19.78. Divided by 50 bags, that's only 40 cents a piece. And just behind me, we also have the Craftsman. This is their 5-gallon, 4 horsepower. This is their shop vac. It's a wet and dry shop vac. Now, currently, it's on sale. Not the greatest vacuum, in my opinion. Pretty great reviews online. I do prefer the DeWalt vacuum instead, but this one's not bad. Stainless steel. Now, the DeWalt shop vac from Costco is a better deal, in my opinion. This one's going for $59. Now, last week and this week is a great time to pick up a pressure washer at Lowe's. I was able to grab the Greenworks Pro, their 3000 PSI pressure washer, for only $239. What a steal. The original price is $449. So many great deals. We have their 1800 PSI, their small compact pressure washer. This is great for your car, your front stairs, maybe your patio deck. Only $99. Now, supposedly, if you Google 20% off coupons online, you may be able to find a 20% off coupon for Lowe's. We have their 2100 PSI pressure washer. Now, this does come with a couple of different accessories as well, but check out that price. We have their 1900 PSI and then their package deal for $199. Now, this one right in front of us, this is the Greenworks Pro, but this one's only $2,500. Now, this one's going for $299. I was able to grab the 3000 PSI for only $239.99. And I did attach my receipt so you can take a peek at it. $239.30, the 3000 PSI pressure washer. Also from Suncast, we have their Hideaway. This does hold 175 feet of hose, which is pretty awesome here. You got the nice reel, which is great. Now these are on sale for $42. Pretty nice deal here. These are hard to come by, especially when they go on sale. They sell pretty quickly. $42.98. So to my right, this did catch my eye. We have their 30-second outdoor cleaner. Now I did pick one up. I want to try it on my deck, see how well it works. They're claiming 30 seconds here. Now it does clean some algae, some mold, some mildew. I want to try it out. It's a concentrate. Now it says 30 seconds. It's fast acting, and 1 gallon is going for $9.98. So I do have a good amount of mold, algae, and mildew built up on my deck. I'll check it out. I'll try it out. I'll pair it up with the pressure washer, and then I'll check back in and let everyone know how well it works. And then from Klein Tools, we have a bunch of sweet deals. We're looking at the American Forge. These are the alignment pliers. They have the American flag forged right in. Now these are pretty awesome. These are going for $29.98. We have the wire cutters to my left, also from Klein Tools. Those are nice for $19.98. I do like the Milwaukee, the 7-in-1. Those are pretty nice. We also have from Klein Tools, we have their 8-inch needle nose pliers or their long pliers, whichever one you want to call them. Now these are also forged as well. They look pretty nice. We have the 5-inch cutters for $12.98. And then on the other side, we have the screwdrivers. Let's go have a look at those. Now this is a screwdriver set, a 3-piece set. These are electrical tools. If you didn't know that, these make a great Father's Day gift. If dad doesn't own electrical screwdrivers, pick him up this set. He's going to love them. It's a 3-piece set here. This is only going for $19.98. And we also have a couple of great deals on mechanic tool sets. This one is a nice set because it does connect to the Versa Stack. It's a 71-piece, so if dad has the Versa Stack, he may like this set. A 71-piece here, and it's a standard and metric, going for $49.98. To my right, so you see right there, Versa Stack compatible. So to my right, we have the Craftsman Overdrive. This is a pretty nice set as well. This is a 64-piece, going for $69.98. And we do have the 6-foot step ladder from Warner. This is a fiberglass step ladder. It does have a 250-pound weight capacity. Not the greatest for the price point, but still pretty decent. It's currently on sale for $89.98. And next up, we do have a couple of great deals from DeWalt. Currently in front of us, we have their little Sawzall package here. This is a 16-piece set. You do get a nice little case as well, going for $19.98. And then to my left, also from DeWalt again, we're looking at their drill and driver set. Now I do like this set because I like the packaging. When you wrap this up for dad, it's going to come out pretty nice. It's nice and large. You do get 110 pieces in total, and it's going for $29.98. And I almost forgot, we do have another small ladder I did want to show you, except this ladder is only 2 feet in height, also from Warner, and I finally found it. They had some tuck underneath. Now this one does have a 300-pound weight capacity. Now this ladder is going for $49.98. Small, compact, no need to break it a big ladder. You just pull this out, has a nice wide top, so if you got to put a 2x8 or 2x10 on top of it, you can. $49.98. And here we have a sweet little set from Spyder. Now this hole saw kit is awesome. It's a 14-piece set. It does come with that case, which is great. It's currently on sale from $129 down to $99. We also have DeWalt's oscillating tool kit on sale as well. This is definitely a great tool to pick up. One of my favorites. Now you get the tool, you get the battery, charger, and you get a nice little tool bag. Comes with a couple of extra blades as well. This is a great price at $99. Probably one of my favorites in today's video. Now I do want to show you a couple other deals. I have to head over to Lowe's online. We have the men's Carhartt t-shirts. Check out this price, only $18.74. These sold out pretty quickly at Lowe's, the store. So if you do have them at your local Lowe's, definitely grab these while they last. We also have a 3-pack of utility knives from Cobalt. Now these are going for $16.98. My Amazon deal was a little bit better in my opinion. Those are only $5. Here we get a 3-pack for $16.98. We also have the Govee string lights currently on sale, 48 feet in length, indoor, outdoor, they're multicolor. Now it does link up to the app, they work okay. I'm not a huge fan of Govee string lights, but I do like the Govee products. If I'm going to buy string lights, I'm going to buy the one at Costco, the Fights. Those are super heavy duty, very, very reliable, very nice lights, and they're going for only $29.99. The Govees are $54.99. And another one from Cobalt, we have their 4-outlet. This is their cord reel. And it also has 2 USB ports, 80 feet in length. It's going for $55.98. Heading back to the store, we also have the Craftsman. This is their 1 horsepower ultra quiet garage door opener. It's belt driven, so it's super quiet. And what's nice about this, it's smart compatible, has my Q in it. Also, if you do buy this at this price point at $229, it's on sale, they're giving you a free video keypad. So when the keypad has a camera built into it, check out that price, $229, and that's including the keypad. And when it comes to garbage disposals, InSinkErator is pretty much your gold standard. Decent deal here, not the greatest, not the worst. A 1/2 horsepower, that's my issue. I do prefer 1 horsepower or maybe 3/4. Also, Costco online, their online store has some great deals on garbage disposals. This one's going for $129. And here we have a pretty decent deal when it comes to recessed lightings. We do have the Halos. Now these are 6-inch ultra thin downlights, super thin. Now this comes in a 6-pack. Each light is 900 lumens, so they are quite bright. They even give you a hat included in the box set, which is pretty cool. Now these lights are going for $117.98. They're also wet rated as well. In my last Costco video, the flash deals for the week, we saw the PermaSteel Toolbox on sale for $2.99. This one from Cobalt, same size, 46-inch, is currently on sale, but not the greatest price. It's going for $3.98, pretty much the same exact size. This one's also 46 inches in length, and I do prefer the PermaSteel Toolbox instead. I like the color combo. The PermaSteel is all black. This one with the black and blue, I'm not the craziest about, but this one's going for $398. We also have the Craftsman Trade Stack, this rolling toolbox. Great price at $149. These already sold out at my local store, but they did have one on clearance I did want to show you. Pretty awesome toolbox, makes a great gift. This one was on clearance at my local warehouse for $119. Brand new, you can get it for $149 even. This is a great gift idea as well. If dad needs something like this to put his tools in, you can roll it around, you can throw it in the truck, you can throw it in the shed. This is a great gift idea as well. And then we also have the Igloo cooler on sale. This is their 60-quart cooler. Now, I did show this in my video the other day at Costco. This was going for $39.99. Costco only has a blue version, so if you do want a red one, this one's on sale at Lowe's. Same size, has the handle, the telescopic handle. This one's going for $42.98. Another great gift idea to my left. This one's from Scrub Daddy. We're looking at their Barbecue Daddy. Not a bad price. If you don't feel like buying Costco's like bigger kit, then you can grab this one here for only $17.98. But I kind of prefer the one they do sell at Costco. Even though it's a little bit more money, you get the extra pad as well. So the Costco one is a little bit better in my opinion, but this one's price is not bad at $17.98. And last but not least, let's show off these 27-gallon storage bins. Now, we often see these at Costco, we see these at BJ's, we see them at Sam's Club. But today, not a bad price here at Lowe's. This is a great price, $8.98. Definitely grab some of these if you need it. All right, friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us over on Instagram at WatchTheDealFinder. If you enjoyed today's video and you already subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit that like button. And remember, friends, drop a comment below. Let me know if you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you tomorrow, friends, with a new Costco clearance video. Peace.